Hey there, Fletcher from All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm just going to do a really quick sort of ASMR style walk around of me setting up the entire truck. So think of it as a deployment video, but I'm going to pop up sort of the names of the products on the screen. I may put QR codes up there too to make finding them as easy as possible, and I'll definitely put links in the description down below. But again, just thought it might be kind of interesting to watch the whole setup of the truck from start to finish. And again, I can put links in the description below to all the products in case you see anything that you want to check out. So let's get into the full deployment of my 2023 Nissan Frontier. Beer cracked. All right, guys, so that'll do it for the walk around, the deployment of my truck. Hopefully that was helpful for you, gave you some information as far as how I set everything up, what all I've got on the truck. I've done a few of these videos where I really, walk around and talk about everything, but some people don't like the talking, right? Sometimes it gets a little boring. So just figured it'd be more interesting to do a really quick sort of walk around of deployment of the vehicle and show everything on there. But of course, if you have any questions or anything, post up in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, definitely make sure to click that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop, because I do a couple videos every week, usually like a gear type video talking about some new piece of gear that I found, and then general overlanding stuff or trip videos or do-it-yourself budget-minded modifications for vehicles or for your gear. So if you're into any of that stuff, definitely consider subscribing. Also in the description down below will be links to all of my social channels. So wherever you want to come hang out, would love to have you. There's also a join button below this video, which is just a passive way to support the channel, get you early access to the videos and some other perks. So if that sounds good, check that out. And then of course, there's also a link to my Patreon where we've got over 20 guys in it now. It's really a lot of fun. So if you're looking to be a part of a 24/7 Discord where you can chat about gear and your trucks and that sort of thing, definitely check that out. We also do a once a month Zoom call, and we're getting together in person once or twice a year to just kind of hang out and drink some beer and camp. So if that sounds good, check out the Patreon. There is also a link to my website down there where I've got funny overlanding camping themed patches and stickers, things like "Don't burn your wiener and it's a hot dog" or "I hate people so I camp." So check those out if you want patches or stickers for your ride or for your backpack or for your fridge or whatever. And then last but not least, there is a link to the Newbie Overlanders Facebook group, which is an awesome group of folks, different from the big groups because we don't allow bullying or anything like that. So if you're looking for a place to really learn or just a place that's more positive than the other big groups, definitely consider checking that out. But again, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.